In this tutorial, we'll look at how to use the Scan and Ship option in ShipBridge. Scan and Ship removes the need to manually double-check the contents of your orders. It allows you to scan the items in your orders so that your customers receive the products they ordered in the correct quantity. You can use Scan and Ship in 3 ways. Select orders from the grid and click Scan and Ship. Directly click the Scan and Ship button to scan or enter an order number or SKU, or use the Scan and Ship. Disable the grid mode, which lets you ship only one order at a time. To select orders from the grid, check the boxes for the orders you want to process. Click Scan and Ship to open the Scan and Ship window. Enter serial number. You can scan the serial number for faster and more accurate input. Verify the shipping values in the Print and Ship tab. Select the shipping service and the packaging method. To require signature confirmation, check the box and select a type. You can print shipping labels and invoices. When using the Scan and Ship button, you can proceed without selecting an order. Click Scan and Ship, scan an order number or SKU to display the items, and click Find Order. Scanning a SKU lets you grab the order related to that specific item. To enable Scan and Ship, disable the grid mode, go to Menu, Options. Select the Scan and Ship tab and select the option Disable the grid. Only allow Scan and Ship. Note that if Use Single Scan Shipping is enabled, a shipping label will auto-generate after a product is scanned. If you have orders with multiple quantities of the same item, you can enable the setting Allow Scanning of Multiple Quantity. This lets you scan the item once and then enter the quantity. When ready, click Save to open the Scan and Ship window.